Turn right, then turn left.
Я думаю, все мечтают сменить
Everybody
её,
dreams
наконец
of
остановить
exchanging
получше.
it for a better car.
Но, к сожалению,
But
у нас в
unfortunately,
России
here in
не
Russia, we don't know how
много
to
чего
build
умеют.
cars.
Собственно, вот и
There are
есть
many
проблема.
things we don't know how to do. Making cars is one of them. Here we have Russian cars, only Russian. The police cameras are coming. Turn your head and look around. We are going. Sometimes you think it will be better to just walk. It's more reliable. This car was born in 1984. I bought another one like this for 5,000 rubles only. When something breaks here, I just replaced it with the pieces from the other car. It's cheaper that way. You can go straight here. It's loud. We are going Strelnya now to pick up my child. The biggest car lover in my family lives here. Last year we watched how people went into the water. Even one of our friends jumped in. Lately, all the old Soviet cars have been pushed away out of the cities. Most of them found a new home in the villages. But here they have replaced horses. Villagers, they don't need so expensive cars. Everything is fine, don't be afraid. We saw each other every day until last week. She was busy last week. After lessons and after art school, I had some troubles and we didn't see each other. But during the New Year holiday, we spent 5 days together. She stayed at my place. Almost. Yeah, almost 5 days. Run, run quick. Serega jumped in. The car is locked. Let's go. I bought this car for my wife to learn how to drive. Then we got divorced. She still can't drive. That's funny. I keep the car. In Spain, the small demands for the cars, I should be able to sell it fast. Turn left. After 300 meters. No way.
Не-не-не-не-не-не.
We will never sell
Не
this
буду
car.
продавать, потому что, ну, это как
This is family
семейный
car
талисман, я не знаю.
for many years. It's water they sell, not petrol. Where is the cap? Let's go. I got this car for my father because we finally bought him a new one.
Наконец-то новую. Вот.
He's a teacher, so he doesn't get paid so much. He couldn't afford a new car for a long time.
Автомобиль.
Okay, turn. It's frightening because the water is so cold. Did you warm up? You have to hitchhike if you don't own a car. There's no public transport here. I got a call today. My aunt died. I have to go to the capital. But my car is broken, so I had to ask for Svetlana's help. She's taking us part of the way. You should have gone further and stopped over there. Easy on the gas. A bit further. Okay, go ahead. Up to the junction.
Алло.
The car is just broke down. Give the phone to Andre. Yeah, right here on the junction. Are you cool? Yeah. It's always freezing cold this time. It was so warm until yesterday. Hello, daughter? Yeah, I'm leaving now. I'll be there soon. Do you want a chocolate? Watch tower, don't let it roll back. Push. Okay, push again. Oh, wow, cool. Horse powers. It looks like we won't fix this today. We will once that change the tapped. But how long will it take? It's almost done. It's so easy. You can immediately find what is broken. With foreign cars you cannot find the reason. I want this Lada model to be my first car. Wow. Lada number 5. But why?
А почему пятерку?
I almost fell out. Will it take much longer, honey? You should not lean on the door, honey. So I should not sell this car? They don't make them anymore. They start producing them last year. Okay, we will keep this car.
Продажа отменяется.
Andrei, so now what?
Андрей.
That's our Lada Zhiguli.
Вообще,
As long as it still has some strange left, it will keep going. It's just need the rest to keep going.
так русский человек поработал.
That's
так
just
много.
like us, Russians. We work, then rest, then work again. This is Russian story, fools, bad roads, and cars. And we have to fix this all the time, by ourselves, as you can see. That's it. Now we can go to celebrate the holiday. So we will take vodka, some meat, pork, of course, or beef, in the worst case. Yeah, 2 farms on the sidewalk. One more time, yeah, but this time turn half a meter further. They are stubborn.
Ну, не знаю.
They are old, but they won't
И
stop.
они все ездят и ездят.
They go and go and
ездят,
go.
ездят, как бы, да.
This is how
Вот как бы
stubborn they are.
упрямство. Она вроде как, не
They
знаю,
may be all
старая,
rusty and old,
старая, там,
but
ну,
they're still going
едет.
against all odds, so to say.
Всему.
This car
Вот
is
этот
10 years
автомобиль
older than me,
на 10 лет. Конкретно. И он
and it's in perfect condition. It's not given to everyone to be in such good shape,
как он выглядит.
especially when you're 37 years old.